Shoshoti, can you please share कुछ ऐसे टिप्स जो हमारी ऑडियंस को हेल्प कर सकें उनके कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्डिंग में, लाइक लाइक फ्यू
Yeah.
5 6 10 स्टेप, लाइक कुछ भी जो इजी टू इम्प्लीमेंट हो.
Like I can share with you some few tips. I think 5 or 7 steps kind of thing. So the first thing is कि whenever we come across a problem, because जब जब कुछ problem आती है तभी confidence lose हो जाता है. जब कुछ challenge आता है life में तब confidence lose होता है.
बिल्कुल.
So उस situation में क्या करना चाहिए? सबसे पहले you have to analyze the problem. होता
हम्म.
क्या है कि हम जब problem देखते हैं तो हम डर जाते हैं और डर की वजह से हम आगे ही नहीं बढ़ते हैं. But instead of getting fearful, you have to first analyze. Analyze. How will you do that? You have to see ki, how is this problem affecting me. Is it very is it making me feel sad? Is it
हम्म.
making me feel that I'm incapable? So तीन चीजों पे ध्यान देना है. What are the thoughts that you're thinking when that
ओके.
situation comes in your life?
हम्म.
And then how are you feeling? वो एक situation, what kind of emotions it is eliciting in you?
राइट.
Then third thing is कि उन सिचुएशन उस थॉट उन
उस
थॉट्स
फीलिंग से.
एंड इमोशंस के वजह से what action are you taking?
ओके.
So when you analyze this, you realize your trigger कि मेरा ये trigger है कि इस situation में ये trigger है या जो भी चीज है. You also analyze इस problem को. So you
हम्म.
have to first analyze the problem, how it is affecting you, and when you know कि अच्छा this problem is affecting me this in this way, then you start asking questions कि how can I see this problem in a different way.
ओके.
You can ask questions कि क्या कुछ ऐसा भी हो सकता है, वैसा भी हो सकता है, या
हम्म.
हमेशा ऐसा ही हुआ. So these are some of the questions that you can ask yourself. Now, another tip I would give is uh, rejoicing in little victories. Okay, so what happens is most of the time we feel कि लाइफ में जब कुछ बहुत बड़ा होगा तभी हम सक्सेसफुल होंगे,
हम्म.
तभी हम रिजॉइस करेंगे, तभी हम विक्ट्री सेलिब्रेट करेंगे. बट आई बिलीव दैट यू हैव टू नोटिस योर लिटिल विक्ट्रीज. इवन आज का टू डू लिस्ट में अगर आपने सारी चीजें कर ली, that's your victory.
राइट.
And when you rejoice in those victories, and how do you do that? You just celebrate by giving yourself a small treat like chocolates, or a movie treat, or something like a series treat, or
ट्रू.
anything that you like to do. So if you do that, you're motivated and you're confident that yes, if I can do this, and if I also feel good because when I complete this, I get to treat myself, you'll be ready and motivated to do things again on the next day. Third tip I would give is yeah, doing things one step at a time. Now, if there is a very big problem, तब बहुत कॉन्फिडेंस लूज हो जाता है और इतने ज्यादा सेल्फ डाउट आते हैं, इतने ज्यादा सेल्फ डाउट्स आते हैं. आई टू बी ऑनेस्ट मुझे भी आते हैं.
हम्म.
So even I am in a learning stage. जब मेरे सामने भी, I know how to handle these situations. That's why it doesn't affect me so much. But in every person's situation, there will always be a problem जो new होगा,
हम्म.
जो बड़ा चैलेंज होगा, जो पहले कभी नहीं किया है. सो
हम्म.
उस सिचुएशन में यू नो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू. If you think that's a very big problem, break it down into smaller steps. When you break it down into smaller steps, and that smaller steps is according to you. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर कल उठकर असाइनमेंट बनाना है या फिर कुछ काम करना है लैपटॉप पे, सो यू कैन ब्रेक इट डाउन इनटू such smaller steps like tomorrow first step is that I have to wake up my bed, second is I have to open laptop. So when you complete first step, rejoice in the little victory. When you
हम्म.
complete second step, again rejoice in the little bit, at least मैंने लैपटॉप तो खोला. Then
बिल्कुल.
third step, मैंने असाइनमेंट या जो भी वर्क है वो करना शुरू किया. That's the third step. Fourth
राइट.
step, okay, I'm in the middle of it. So this way, when you break it down, you feel confident कि चलो इतना तो हुआ, 50% काम तो हुआ.
हम्म.
Otherwise, you think कि mountain है and I can't climb Mount Everest.
ट्रू. ट्रू.
Fourth thing I would say is mirror talk. This is a very interesting exercise and it's my favorite exercise because mirror talk say a lot of things you can do. So I'll talk about mirror talk again later.
हम्म.
But first, let me tell you, affirmations is the fifth step.
हम्म.
Fifth step is about affirming. Affirmations helps a lot. Huh. But there is a way to affirm. So you just don't have to repeat what you're affirming. You have to believe in it. Believing in the sense कि वो अभी हो चुका है.
हम्म.
So law of attraction तभी work करता है when you don't think that you want something, but you think that I am that thing. I already am that kind of person who wants that thing.
Hmm.
जो भी आपको फ्यूचर में आपको चाहिए.
Hmm.
For
Okay.
example, if someone wants to earn 10 lakh rupees per month, but because that person is not able to believe that he can, so he cannot say that I earn 10 lakh rupees, but he can believe in the fact that I'm capable of earning 10 lakh rupees. So that person will affirm that I'm capable of earning 10 lakh rupees per month.
Hmm.
So
Okay.
this way you design your affirmations so that your mind, your subconscious mind believes in it. Only
Hmm.
then it works.
Okay.
Now, yeah, and then sixth is an amazing technique which is called creative visualization. Creative visualization also works like affirmation में हम sentences बोलते हैं, repeat करते हैं like a mantra. Creative visualization में हम eyes close करके future देखते हैं. We
Hmm.
go back to we go to our future and see and feel that I am in the future and things that I want has already happened with me.
Okay.
Okay. And then coming back to mirror talk I kept for the last because mirror talk से आप बहुत कुछ कर सकते हैं.
Hmm.
Mirror talk से आप if you have issues with communication, you can learn how to communicate with others. You don't want to practice with others, you can first start practicing with yourself. Second
Okay.
thing you can do is you can affirm by looking at yourself in the mirror.
Hmm.
Third thing is you can actually introspect. Introspection again is one very important exercise that you need to do. So you can introspect either through mirror talk or through writing in your pen and paper.
Okay.
Introspection means जो भी दिमाग में चल रहा है, कुछ भी अच्छा बुरा या जो भी चीजें हैं that something that's disturbing you,
Hmm.
just write it down. Write everything that's coming out. So it's all about clearing your head, and the moment you start doing that you get your answer. These are the things, these are the steps that has actually worked for me. That's why I talk about these. And there's another one very important when I forgot about this. You have to challenge yourself. You're learning how to be confident. So if you don't challenge yourself, you can never be confident. Believe me, no
Right.
one can ever be confident in their comfort zone.
True. True.